Growth begins small, a single microorganism, cultivated with care, multiplying with purpose. Growth of microorganisms, growth of knowledge, and growth of the people we work with. This is where it begins. From our labs, we cultivate potential. Over 100 years of fermentation expertise, transforming microscopic life into solutions that fuel animal welfare and performance. Innovation means improving what matters, refining strains, developing better formulations, creating processes designed to work reliably. Because we grow and produce our own yeast and bacteria, we manage every step, from fermentation to downstream processing, through stabilization to final packaging, ensuring consistent quality, safety, and performance.
When production is done with care,
science becomes something our partners can rely on
every day.
From microscopic cultures to measurable results, we grow together.